Hi guys, Bill with Bonanza 80 Romeo Charlie. Going to talk to you about tightening up the wandering Vernier controls. I just did my propeller, and you can see I take my finger on there, and with the one index finger it's almost impossible to move, but with two it spins just fine. A little bit of tension. If you look at my throttle, that turns real easy, and I already loosened up the mixture to see what you have in there. So it comes from the factory with some of these fibrous washers behind the nut. This is a knurled knob right here. Same thing here. Same thing here on the propeller control. And about every year what I have to do is I have a piece of shoelace. And it is just going to wear out over time. We put a little over 100 hours in the plane, so every year I got to change it. So what I have is a big long length of leather shoelace here, and I just cut it into about a 1-inch strip, and it's the approximate outer diameter of the shaft. And so basically we'll wrap that on there, tuck it inside the knurled nut, slide it forward, tighten it up, and that'll give you the nice tight Vernier knob, so that as you're flying along it doesn't wander every 5 or 10 minutes. You can see one index finger, that doesn't move at all. I have to take my finger and thumb, turn it, but I got to do my throttle yet. You see how easy that turns. And the mixture is the same way. I just barely touch with your fingertip and it spun, and the vibration of the engine flying along just causes it to wander. But usually I pull off the console, but that's a little bit of a job because every once in a while a screw will fall down into the pedal and you got to pull the floorboard up. So as you're tightening these up, make sure you're not turning the cable behind there. Don't overdo it. Just get these snug up so they don't come loose. You don't need to put a big pipe wrench or anything on it. Just a pair of pliers, maybe with a towel on it so you don't damage the knurling. Keep it decent looking. To snug it up so that you got a nice smooth control and you can still turn it and move it. Again, Bill, Bonanza 80 Romeo Charlie, adjusting the Vernier knobs. Talk to you later.